Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inzara Kirana Dewi. My ID student is 33220053. In here, I wanna give statement about THBT parent pushing their children into playing and heavy contact sport should count as child abuse. I disagree with the statement that parents will push their children into playing heavy contact sports such as American football, ice hockey, or wrestling should be considered as committing child abuse. This idea is too extreme and disregard the many potential positive benefits and important values that children can gain from participating in such sport. First of all, we must acknowledge that all types of sport, including non-contact sports, carry a risk of injury. However, with proper training, protective equipment, and adequate supervision, the risk can be minimized. Responsible parents always prioritize the safety of their children and would never put them in harm's way. It's also important to remember that in many communities and cultures, contact sports like American football and ice hockey are tradition passed down through generations. This is more than just a sport. It's part of their cultural heritage and identity. Encouraging children to participate in this sport can be a way for parents to preserve family tradition and instill pride in their cultural roots. Additionally, many parents who push their children toward contact sport do so not out of selfish reason or to live vicariously through their children, but because they genuinely believe it is best for their children's development. They may have witnessed the positive benefits from their own involvement in sport during childhood and want to share that same experience with their children. First, heavy contact sport provide valuable learning about hard work, self-discipline, endurance, teamwork, and the ability to overcome challenges. These skills are very important in life and can help prepare children to face difficulties in the future. Many successful athletes acknowledge that their involvement in sport from a young age shaped their character and taught them the importance of perseverance, commitment, and fighting spirit. Second, in many communities and cultures, heavy contact sports are tradition passed down from generation to generation. These sports are not just physical activities, but also part of the cultural heritage and identity. Encouraging children in these sports can be a way for parents to preserve family tradition and instill pride in their cultural roots. Third, with the proper training, adequate protective equipment, and appropriate supervision, the risk of injury in heavy contact sport can be minimized. Responsible parents always prioritize the injury of their children and will never put them in a dangerous situation. They will ensure that all precautionary measures are taken to protect their children from unnecessary risk of injury. Fourth, many parents push their children into heavy contact sport not out of selfish reason or to live variously through their children. Rather, they do so because they believe it is best for their children's physical, mental, and emotional development. They may have witnessed the positive benefits from their own development in sport as children and want to share the same experience with their children. Fifth, encouraging children into heavy contact sport in a healthy and supportive way, while still respecting their boundaries and desires, shall not be considered a boss. There are limits that shall not be crossed, such as becoming overly excessive, disregarding the children's natural talents, or using undue pressure. However, if done in a responsible, loving manner, they should not be regarded as a boss. Ultimately, the decision to engage in heavy contact sports should be the choice of the children themselves, with the guidance and support of their parents. But to say that every parent who encourages the children in this direction is committing abuse is an overreach and disregards the many potential benefits of participating in such sport. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.